All right, just like that. It's 1:44 in the morning. And look how calm down it is out here. Go out in the shop. No particular reason, just I'll look for one of my bigger flashlights. Take a look around. There's my baby. Yeah, that's my baby car. My first car. Get one of the bigger spotlights out. 1972 Chevrolet Caprice, baby. Get up here, I'll give you a shot. It's my first car, 32 years. Sitting underneath this winterized mode. It's a little too wet to bring her out yet, but let's take a look at her. See what's going on. It's always interesting to walk around. Yeah, these came down. This is all new today. We just got out of a pretty good snowstorm recently, but look at this amount of water everywhere. This is your typical spring. Holy shit. That's a driveway, guys. Normally it's a high and dry driveway. It rained really hard tonight. Yeah, it's like a lake. Just down my street. Yeah, it's all private roads out here. There's no public access, so it's nice and quiet. There's my yard. Look at this water. It's insane. This all came down in the last half hour. Fire pit area. Damn, dude. Backyard. Yeah, when it's nighttime and it's rain like this, it's dark. That's with all my yard lights on. Yeah, don't mess around in Washington State at night if you don't know what's going on. It gets dark quick. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you're screwed.